Here I am comparing the Hunter Pro HE against the Rainbird Fixed, Van, and HE Van nozzles. I set up a simple catch cup configuration where my little buddy here is helping me check to see what the actual distribution uniformity is of this first set. It is not a perfect zone layout, but it is a 15 foot by 15 foot section. The original zone used Rainbird Vans, which was a 1.46 precipitation rate, and it came in at 62% distribution uniformity. Now we're going to see the Hunter Pro HE performance. When running, this nozzle has clearly defined edges. With this tight catch cup configuration, the precipitation rate comes in at 1.4 inches per hour. That also comes with an 80% distribution uniformity, which is absolutely amazing. When switching to the Rainbird fixed nozzle, I got 0.95 inches per hour, which was much less than what I was expecting. The distribution uniformity was about 63%, or was 63%, which is actually less than what the Van nozzles were doing. When switching to the Rainbird HE nozzle, the edges were not as clearly defined. The precipitation rate was 1.21 inches per hour, and the distribution uniformity was 79%, which was super good. When pushing the catch cups out of the edges, the distribution uniformity fell to 64%. Switch back to the Hunter HE nozzles to see whether or not the wider spacing was going to make that much of a difference, and it came back at 69%. The Hunter HE nozzles were the clear winner in this set. However, I would suggest swapping over any old nozzles to these new HE versions, whether it be the Hunter or the Rainbird, because it will save a significant amount of water. This test was not pressure regulated, and it basically emulates what happens if somebody decided to just swap nozzles directly from their current system to see if they could get better water efficiency or better performance out of their system.